The BMC's ambitious door-to-door screening drive in slum pockets to find symptomatic COVID-19 patients seem to have fallen flat on its face in densely populated Malvani in Malad. While local residents are not cooperating with the civic teams, some of them claimed the latter are not implementing the drive strictly. Reports claimed that volunteers appointed by the civic body were merely asking the slum dwellers if they wanted to get screened for symptoms associated with COVID-19, and if they got no in response, they would go on to the next dwelling. But slum dwellers have been apprehensive of getting tested too. Reports say that on learning about the civic team's visit in the area, a few slum dwellers were also seen locking their houses on the pretext of going to the market to escape getting screened for COVID-19. In most of the slum pockets in Malvani, the residents have been putting off screening to avoid getting admitted to COVID hospitals in case they are found symptomatic. In Ambojwadi, the civic teams walked off after locals refused to cooperate. Reporters also spoke to many local residents and learnt that people are scared to get quarantined in civic facilities where they feel that hygiene is a big issue. A few of them have told Midday that through various media like social media, newspapers and TV channels, they have learnt that the washrooms, hospital beds, floors, etc. are filthy and fear that they will fall sick if they get admitted to these hospitals or quarantine facilities or isolation wards. In some cases, the locals are found picking up fights with the health teams, which ended with the local police intervening. The doctors are finding it difficult to convince the slum dwellers to cooperate with them, though the initiative has been taken to safeguard everyone in this global health crisis. Patients have been giving incorrect details about their address, which makes it difficult for authorities to go about contact tracing. A BMC surveillance health inspector told Midday that local residents have been misguided and are unaware of what will happen to them if they go to a COVID hospital. While civic authorities have also been creating awareness among residents in the area, it seems like all efforts are going in vain. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.